And then Imani is faith. You know, you have to have faith, period.
There's something that, in I think professional sociological world, they call it a prove it again bias. That there's just a reality to it. So, but at the same time, I I recognize that as a a minority owned business, our success leads to other people's success. It may be a uphill climb in many respects, but I've seen, and maybe it's my personal story. It's helped me throughout. Is instead of the prove it again bias being a prove it the first time, it is prove it again, right? Meaning we have to prove it again, but I know that it's possible, right? Because we just have to prove it again. So it presents some work to do, right? And the reality that we know there's going to be a constant struggle. But I think the more people see different people being successful, the more that they'll recognize that, you know, we're not doing some amazing thing. We've taken some chances and gotten lucky, but there's a lot of people that could do the same thing. And when they see that, the hope is that they'll know it too. I think the Elizabeth Marvel's quote is, if you can see it, you can be it. And I believe in that. That's been my story. I've seen it. So it's like, I don't even question, can I be it? I think it's just do others see it? And can they accept it?